Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we get to take a look at McDowell Time's first diver ever, and it is a sweet one, I might add. I love the looks of this guy. This company is based right in Rockville, Maryland, and this watch is named after the tidewaters that feed the Chesapeake Bay. So that is just a very, very cool name from where they are at. I like that a lot. Bill, the owner of this company, has sent this out to me. I'd like to thank Bill for sending the watch out to me to share with you guys. I really appreciate it a lot. And this watch is also going to go on a tour. I will leave links to all the channels in the description below that are going to check out this watch and give you their opinion on this guy also. One thing I love about micro brands is Bill and I were chit-chatting this week on social media. And that's what I love. You know, you get to know the owner on a first name basis. It's just kind of like a down home company, you know, based here in America. You got good customer service. And he sent the owner's manual out with this guy. And what's it say right on the back? American designed and American assembled. So you just can't beat that. I absolutely love that. So this is a stainless steel 316L stainless steel case. We're going to jump right into it. It is brushed and very well done. I love the looks of this case. This custom in-house design of this cushion case. They used the CAD software and a 3D printer to do this. So that's some really cool technology behind this case. Indeed, I just really like that. Screw down crown on the side, nice knurling on it, great operating crown, very smooth action with the McDowell Time embossed logo on the end of that. Nice crown protectors, very smooth. It just runs all together on that nice curve. You don't catch it on nothing. I love how that is designed. And it does have a see-through case back. Hope we can get a good shot of that there. You can see that movement beating in there. I love see-through case back. Some specs around the outer edge. We're gonna get into those in a minute, and the movement for sure. It does have a sapphire crystal with some AR coating on it, which is a great plus, and a 120 click ceramic bezel. Listen to that. Oh yeah, I like those clicks. Very, very nice action on the bezel indeed. Also, it does have, and if I can pull this up for you, does have polished hands and 5-minute markers, applied 5-minute markers. All the hands, the lollipop second hand, the applied 5-minute markers are all filled and coated with, including the ceramic bezel C3 Super-LumiNova. And I'm gonna throw a live shot or a video of that Lume up there in the corner so you could see that second hand moving around. Just looks great. Great job on the Lume. You got the McDowell Time logo right below the 12 o'clock position with Tidewater and 200 meters water resistant right above the 6 o'clock position. And I really do like those red markers on the outside of the 5-minute markers. It kind of just catches your eye. Looks really good. Very legible, bright and brilliant. I really do like that a lot. So this is running the Swiss Sellita SW200 automatic movement. What a great coupling, great pair with this diver and the movement. You got a good combo there. 28,800 beats per hour and a 38-hour power reserve, which is just, you know, just a great, great plus. And you can see that nice coin-edged bezel there. Very, very well done. Custom bracelet with a double push button locking clasp, nicely milled bracelet there with the McDowell Time logo on the clasp. And this end link is kind of designed, it's designed the same way as the case, how it flows. It's just really nice. It gives you that nice tight bracelet feel on your wrist with very, very little gap. Now, I didn't adjust this bracelet. I put it on my wrist and kind of snugged it up underneath, and it really does feel and look very, very nice, and we'll show you that in a minute. This is, like I said, 200 meters water resistant. It comes with a 24-month warranty, and this guy's going to cost you about 475 buckaroonies, which I think is a great deal for a diver like this, the construction of it, and you get that great movement inside. Let's get to some specs on this guy. This does have a 42 millimeter case without the crown, 49 millimeters lug to lug this way, 13 millimeter thickness, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth. Hey, let's get this on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. It really looks good. It feels great on the wrist, and you can see I'm not even pulling the bracelet tight at all. It just has that nice snug fit, that curvature that wraps around your wrist. You just love when you have a nice quality timepiece on. I love the look of that. Hey guys, that's my short look at the McDowell Tidewater Diver. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you enjoy the channel, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day, and stay well.